AppSumo launched 12 new deals this week. Now I'm going to go over each one in alphabetical order, but if you want my personal rankings of which tools are really catching my eye and worth buying, I put that list in the description below. Now while you are there, you can access my personal Notion doc of my must-have SaaS tools for digital entrepreneurs. Now, I update this every week with the newest business tools I find that I think are really worth looking into, and you can grab this Notion spreadsheet completely free. Now, if you click on that second link in my description, you can access my private AppSumo Vault, which includes some of my most favorite AppSumo deals and some of my most popular YouTube videos you can watch right here on this page. Alchemy helps you create and manage your Google Ads using AI, okay? So it can pick the best keywords, even write the ads for you, and organize your campaigns so that it can perform better. You can also get tips on how to improve your landing pages as well. And I think one unique thing about Alchemy is that it lets you see a visual map of your whole sales funnel to find ways to make more money. Now, this is a lifetime deal on AppSumo that starts at $79 for license tier 1. Now, they do limit you in terms of features quite a bit from tier 1 through tier 3. If you want all of the features listed out in this deal, then you would need to get tier 4 or 5. MeetHour is a video conferencing platform for hosting online meetings, okay? So it supports features like group calls, screen sharing, branded meetings, and whiteboard. So you can record your meetings, you can broadcast them live, or embed them on other sites. Now, I think a unique feature is the ability to customize your entire meeting experience with your own branding. Now, this lifetime deal starts at $49 for license tier 1, and you do get one host license. But unfortunately, you cannot host meetings on your own custom domain, including all of these other features that they lock you out of. Now, if you want all of the features, then you would need to go for their highest tier, which is tier 5. And I really think this is the sweet spot because you do get all of the integrations, including webhooks. And I personally think that's really important. So definitely not a cheap deal. MobiRoller lets you make mobile apps for Android and iOS. Now, you can add features like shopping, push notifications, and user login. And your apps can be published on Google Play, the Apple Play Store, and the Huawei App Gallery. Now, if you join their program, you can create unlimited apps for clients and get direct support by phone, WhatsApp, and even email. This lifetime deal starts at $79 for license tier 1. I really like how this deal is structured because you do get all of the features listed out right here, and you could even build 10 mobile apps. Now, if you want to build more apps, then you can stack up to tier 5, which gives you unlimited mobile apps. NitroSEO automatically updates your website's page titles, descriptions, and image alt text to help you show up higher in search results, okay? So it checks your site for missing weak meta tags and suggests better ones based on your content, the target keywords. Now, I think unlike other tools, it can change meta tags on any website using just a simple JavaScript snippet, which makes things so much easier for you to update. This lifetime deal starts at $69 for license tier 1. You can use it for up to one website, and SERP monitoring is for 80 keywords. I think the limits for tier 1 are on the lower end, unfortunately. So I would probably say to go for tier 3 or higher because in terms of the SERP monitoring, you get a batch of keywords, but you can decide how many keywords per website. So it is flexible if you go for tier 3 or higher in terms of the keywords SERP monitoring. PhotoGPT AI lets you create realistic headshots and themed portraits using your own selfies, okay? So you can choose from a variety of range styles like what you see here. from like business to fantasy and even fitness. And you can use these images for like definitely your social media profiles, dating profiles, and your website content. Now, you can also train the AI on your own photos to generate consistent images of yourself in any of these styles you see right here. I recently published a full PhotoGPT AI review and demo, and I will link the video in the description below so you can watch that. So this lifetime deal starts at $69 for license tier 1. Now, if you want the option to select specific aspect ratios, then you would need to get tier 3. And if you want the high resolution image upscaling, then you would need to get tier 2, which I have. Now, if you want the option to select additional aspect ratios, then you would need to get tier 2. And if you want the option to have high resolution image upscaling, then you would need to get the highest tier 3. And this is the one that I do have. It also gives you the most credits as well. PushLab Growth helps businesses set up and manage their own affiliate programs. It lets you track the clicks, your sales, and payouts for your affiliates, okay? So you can connect it with popular tools like Shopify, Stripe, and also WooCommerce. And I think one unique feature is its affiliate marketplace, where new affiliates can easily find your program. And they even have the MeetHour affiliate program listed here as well. This starts at $59 for license tier 1. If you want all of the features, then you would need to go all the way up to plan 8, which is their highest plan. This gives you everything, including the multi-level marketing feature, where affiliates can refer other affiliates. So if you want the MLM feature, you would need to get plan 8. Quickbuzz lets you turn your keywords into blog posts that match your brand's voice, okay? So you can connect your WordPress, you can schedule your articles and share posts to LinkedIn or even Facebook. Now, the platform learns your brand style by analyzing your website and blog links. Now, I think a standout feature is its ability to use your own OpenAI API key for more control and higher usage limits. You can grab this for $49 for license tier 1. Now, in terms of the monthly credits with bring your own key with the OpenAI API key, you would need to get tier 3 or higher for that feature. So I would say tier 3 is the sweet spot here. SAiY is a keyboard app that helps you write, edit, and translate messages on your phone or computer. So it works directly inside your favorite apps like Gmail, WhatsApp, and also like social media sites like LinkedIn. So you can quickly switch between languages and get writing suggestions as you type. Now, I think what sets it apart is its ability to use several top AI models at once to improve translations and your writing results. A single code costs $49. It gives you a 1 team seat. But if you want unlimited limits, you would need to do double codes. And if you want higher team seats, you would need to get 3 codes or more. Sensfrx checks for fraud on your website as people sign up when they log in or make purchases on your website, okay? So it spots suspicious behavior using pattern, device details, and user actions. You can set your own rules to block or allow certain users or activities as well. And one unique feature is its ability to map connections between users and devices to catch fraud rings. Now, one unique feature is its ability to map connections between users and devices to catch fraud rings. This is a brand new deal on AppSumo, which starts at $59 for license tier 1. This deal is great. You do get all of the features, but if you want more limits, then you can go for tier 2 or 3. And tier 3 does give you unlimited domains. The PDF Maker connects your business data sources to create documents like invoices, contracts, and receipts automatically. So it lets you use your own templates from Google Docs or Word, and then it fills them with live data from tools like Airtable, Notion, and even HubSpot. So you can generate large batches of PDFs and send them through platforms like Zapier or Make. Now, I think a standout feature is its built-in payment integration, which allows you to create invoices directly from Stripe transaction. This starts at $69 for license tier 1. Now, if you want the Zapier and Make integrations like I just mentioned, then you will need to get tier 2 or higher. VidTechy helps you find the best keywords for your YouTube videos and analyze what competitors are doing. So it creates video titles for you, the descriptions and tags designed to improve your search rankings. So you can research trending topics and see what keywords bring viewers to similar channels. Now, I think a unique feature is its built-in YouTube ads library and bookmark tool for tracking and organizing all of your ad ideas. You can grab this lifetime deal starting at $59, but if you want the ads module, which includes the bookmarker, the target keywords, videos, channels, topics, playlists, search, tracker, and swipe library, and team collaboration, then you will need to get tier 3 or 4. So I think the sweet spot would be tier 3 for this deal. WorkZappy helps teams organize and track all of their projects, okay? So it lets you break big tasks into smaller steps, share updates, and see your progress in different views like lists or even Gantt charts. You can record your screen, and the tool will turn your video into searchable text and pull out action items. Now, I think a unique feature is its AI assistant that can create subtasks and summarize comments automatically. This is a brand new deal which starts at $69 for license tier 1. I do like how this deal is structured as well. Now, if you want higher limits, then you can go for tier 2 or tier 3. Now, tier 3 gives you unlimited activity logs, custom fields, open API calls, video recording with AI, and also unlimited automation runs per user. Now, if you want to know my personal rankings of which of these week's deals are really catching my eye and worth buying, check the list in the description below.